how to create contact group on your iPhone. So if you want to create a contact group on your iPhone, then what you need to do is first you just need simply go with your call application. After that, go with your contacts. Now you can go with list, which is on the top left, and so you'll see this page. Now here you need to go with add list, which is on the top right, and then go with a list name and go with the location of where you want to see this list. You can choose iCloud or iPhone. So first add a name list. Now tap on done, which is on the bottom, and the list has been added. You can tap on the list and here you can add your contacts. So you can go with add contacts and select the contacts that you would like to add to your list. You can also give a name to your list like family or friends or something like that. So for example, I'll just simply go with 2 or 3 persons and then go with done. And once you're done with this, you can go with messages, which is on the top right, and as you can see that it will send the message to all of the 3 contacts. So in this way you'll be able to create a contact group on your iPhone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.